Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can resolve this issue. Error A JNI error has occurred. Please check your installation and try again. For that, guys, first thing what you have to do, you have to check the JDK, you have to check the Java version and Java C version. Make sure they are same. Open the command prompt, type Java minus version. Click on enter. It will be Java 22.0.1. And then just you also see Java C minus version. This should also be same as Java 22.0.1. Another thing what you have to do, guys, search for environmental variables. Okay. When you click on environmental variables, go to click on environmental variables, double click on path. Make sure you only have one JDK path. Other one you can delete it. And last thing you have to do, the package name should never be Java. You have to right click, either you can change the name or you can delete the package. You can create the click on the new package or create a new package. Here what I am doing, here I'll delete this package. Okay. Now, okay, I'll click on right click here. I'll create a new package. So it should be com.java.practice. I can click on finish now. Okay, so right click here, you can add a new class. Just navigate to the top, click on new class. Class, you can name it as hello world and just click on finish. Okay, so now here what you're doing. Okay, now what you do, just click on right click hello world, run as Java application. Now this should not throw an error. You should get the hello world. Hope you'd have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.